Lesson 4.2.2 Relative Frequency Distributions continues. In this video, we will complete relative frequency marginal distributions for given relative marginal distributions. What did the ground say to the earthquake? You crack me up. So in the last video, we did a vocabulary for marginal relative frequency distribution. And we say that it provides the ratio of the total occurrences of each category to the total number of occurrences. So let's go to example 1 and see what that means. So in the last video, we filled out the number of occurrences divided by the total number of occurrences. Now we're going to do the total of each particular color or class divided by the total of everything. So down here, I'm going to take and go equals. I'm going to come up here to the table and I'm going to go and click on the box for blue. So the total number of blue was 7. We're going to divide that by the total number of things altogether, 20. And we'll hit enter. And then we're going to finish filling in everything else. So then we're going to go into the green total. So we're going to say equals the total of the green divided by the overall total. Enter. Then we're going to do the same thing with purple. Equals total of purple divided by the overall total. And hit enter. And then we go equals, we're looking for red this time, the total of the red divided by the overall total. Enter. Then we do the same thing for the total for the two classes. So the total for class A equals, again, total for class A is here and it's 9 divided by the total overall total, which is 20. And again, all you have to do is click on the box, tap divide, and then click on the box for the total. So one last time. Actually, we'll do it 2 more times. So equals, whoops. So click on the box for class B. I'm going to go equals, come up here. The total for B is there, divided by the overall total, and hit enter. For the last box in the corner, we're going to take the overall total divided by the overall total, which is 20, divided by 20, which is 100%. And that's how we find our marginal relative frequency distribution. So what I'd like you to do is now try example 2 on your own. Go ahead and do this now. Okay, so our new totals. 45% of the votes were for football. 25% of the votes were for baseball. 30% of the votes were for basketball. As for 11th and 12th grades, 50% was for each 11th and 12th grader. And then the grand total of 100%. And that's how you find your marginal relative frequency distribution. In the next video, we will go ahead and be doing stacked bar graphs for this. If you have questions, make sure that you raise your hand or call me over and get help or get them answered.